Hey, Johnny here from Nasty Hog. Today in the hog pen, I'm going to do a speaker lid swap out on a set of our saddlebags. Let's get to it. This is a nice red hot sun glow, it's called. And then we're going to remove the 2 screws here on your tether strap. Now we get to the 2 center screws. This way we can free up the hinge. Careful not to scratch the paint. You can lift the bag up from the hinge. I'm going to set this aside. So in this situation, we're going to remove the tether strap completely because with the speaker pots that we're putting in, it actually has a cutout in it. So this is going to replace this strap here. Next up, we've got our latch screws. Okay, move your latch cover. And we're going to remove our 4 ABS screws here. Next up, we're removing the handle. You're going to need a short, stubby Phillips screwdriver. And now we can remove the mechanism. Pop that out, slide it out from underneath. And we can put this lid aside. Okay, now we've got our speaker lid. We're going to take our latch mechanism. And we're going to do the opposite of what we just did. Start with the 4 ABS screws. First thing we got to do is get this slid underneath here to lock in. There we go. And there you go. 4 ABS screws. Okay, now onto our handle. Just make sure that your latch is moving freely before you carry on any further. You're going to take your handle bolt, a little bit of Loctite. Snug it up good. There we go, moving freely. Okay, now onto our latch cover. Get those 3 holes started here. Okay, we're going to check our key, make sure our latch locks. Handle's closed, keys in, push, quarter turn, handle's locked, quarter turn back the other way, handle's moving freely. Okay, now onto our speaker pot. But first we've got to put our slide bars into our tether strap. Let's make sure you can see the hole through there. As you can see, this stitching is a little rougher, so you want that down. This is going to be on your open side. One smaller ABS screw. These are all different size screws. This one here is the skinnier screw out of the package. This one here is your thicker screw. And the other 2 holes are the remaining 2 ABS screws. They're both the same. So drop the skinny screw through here first. We're going to line that up with the hole on your strap. We're going to thread that in and get it started. screw it in all the way yet. Until you get the other 3 in. Take your fattest screw to your top left there, looking at it. And the other 2 are all both the same size. And to the right of that. Sure, and they're all tight. Don't want no vibrations with the banging speaker that you're going to put in here. Okay, we're going to install the weather strip to the lid. Always peel a little bit back at a time. Start at the hinge. Peel a little bit more as you go here. Make sure that it's pressed down in there good. Once I usually get to this point here, I just double check to see if I'm going to make it round, which I will. You want to pretty much finish at that hinge too. So I might have to stretch a little bit as I go around this corner. It looks like I only need about an inch. So once I get this corner pressed in, and that should give me enough to get to the hinge. Okay, so we got the bag in place here. We're gonna line up these 4 holes here for your hinge. You're gonna start the 2 in the center. Okay, we're gonna start the other 2 as well. So your longer screw obviously goes up to the front here where you can see that the ABS is thicker. Those are lined up, everything's started. You know you're where you want to be. Go back here and tighten these 2. Back these 2 guys out now. Bring your tether strap up. Next up, we are going to apply the reflector to our latch cover. So before I remove the tape on that, I'm going to give my latch cover here a little bit of a rinse with some Windex to ensure that there is no residue on the latch cover itself. I grab my reflector here, pull off the tape, and drop it into place. Press it in, and once you're sure you're in the spot, you're going to press firmly. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Remember to like, subscribe, and share, and you can always stay up to date with us at Nasty Hog. Stay nasty, my friends.